3D printed seat. Full carbon fiber. .3D printed seat, nice and soft. This seat is not bad, actually. It's really firm. But this one, this 3D printed seat, it's firm but softer. It's kind of hard to explain. It's fully carbon fiber. Bottom, super light. Super light. But it's the same shape and size as my Shimano, Specialized Mimic. But I like having the space cut out because I can get to the bolts easier. So let me mount this up. This is my Specialized Mimic and a 3D printed seat. I think that's going to be a little plusher. I don't know, this one feels softer actually, but this honeycomb system should be a better absorption system versus the foam. This is definitely firmer right there. This is uniform. .155 millimeter. Well, it's 150 for this one, but they look the same. Then again, 5 millimeter isn't much. Carbon tray, carbon rails, the chromoly. All right, let me go and slap this on. Oh, there she go. Carbon this, carbon bars, carbon rims, carbon frame, carbon seat pan, carbon rails, and I think that's about it. Super carbon. Oh, I have a carbon bottom bracket thing right there also. This is the most intense bike I've ever built. It's beautiful. I am going to hook this one up also. The game plan is the fulcrums that came on this bike, which are disc 32 millimeters, 30 millimeters, I'm not sure. I'm going to put those on here, get rid of these. Oh, these things are heavy. I had them off just to see if that would fit. I had to buy some skewers, through axles to quick release skewers. Put that on here. And I'm going to take all of these off at the end of the year. These new 105 mechanicals, put the mechanicals on there, replace those Soras. That's a shame. And then I'm going to get all Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, electronic shifting for this one. Prices are so low. Can't help it.